The standard Horizon STD-240SW horn speaker delivers clear, commanding audio that cuts through wind and engine noise, making it ideal for marine hailing and onboard announcements. Its compact 5-inch by 8-inch mouth with a moderate depth allows it to fit neatly on crowded arches or hardtops without dominating the space or blocking sight lines. Matched to loudhailers up to 30 watts and a 4-ohm load, it provides strong output and good projection without overtaxing typical marine communication systems. The white plastic housing is built to handle harsh marine environments, resisting corrosion and sun exposure better than many generic horn speakers. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with basic marine wiring, and the sturdy mounting hardware keeps the horn stable even in rough conditions. Overall, this horn speaker offers a reliable blend of durability, efficiency, and sound projection that suits both serious cruisers and casual boaters.